Hi, this is Rich from Wormico. Did you know that worms can turn your food scraps into organic black compost? It's simple, clean, and can be done right at home. In this video, let's take a quick look at 4 reasons why composting with worms is such a great idea. Worm castings. Many worm farmers aim to produce worm castings. Known as black gold, worm castings are actually quite valuable, and a small bag can set you back around $10. Worm castings are typically added to the soil as an amendment. They can also be used to make worm tea to water your plants and garden beds. The technical term for worm castings is vermicast, and it's one of the best natural fertilizers in the world. Worm castings are packed with nutrients, help plants grow faster, and improve soil health. They actually have no smell at all and look similar to black coffee granules. 2. Reduce waste. Instead of tossing your food scraps into the bin, why not feed them to your worms? Examples of food scraps include veggie offcuts, fruit peelings, coffee grounds, and tea bags. Reducing household waste will reduce the volume of waste sent over to landfill. As landfill sites begin to run out of space, this is becoming increasingly important. Additionally, most households recycle cardboard boxes. Cardboard is the ideal bedding for worms, which can be torn up or shredded and added to the worm farm where it will break down naturally and be consumed by the worms. 3. Help the environment. Worm composting might seem small, but it can have a big impact on the environment. More worm composting means less methane gas produced at landfill sites, lower transport costs of trucks, trains and barges, and reduced air emissions from waste disposal systems. Worm castings also improve soil quality and assist with growing healthy plants. Soil becomes richer with better moisture retention and more microbial life. Air quality improves as plants capture more carbon dioxide and replace it with oxygen. 4. Raise worms. Worms are great for kids to keep as pets. They are virtually maintenance-free, easygoing, and help eat food scraps and cardboard that would otherwise be thrown out. Kids can learn about being sustainable at home, and it can be a great project that keeps them busy and interested. Another reason for worm composting is that you might want to raise worms for fishing or feeding to your pet fish or axolotl. With worm composting, you'll get the benefits of an organic, live and protein-rich supplement for your pet whenever the need arises. So that's worm composting, a great way to turn food scraps into black gold and save the planet at the same time. So what's the reason that you like to do worm composting? Feel free to comment below, and if you would like to see more videos in this series, then please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.